Hey everybody, this is Precious, aka Jocelyn, if you didn't know my name. Also my experience, I wasn't in any pain. So, if anybody's really concerned about pain, it wasn't none. And I recommend this place for anybody to come. Rating out of 1 out of 10, 10 being the greatest, is 20. So make sure you come here, contact.
So today is February 1st, and I'm so excited. I just finished doing my teeth, and I love it, I love it, I love it. And also I did a hair transplant 6 months ago, and this is what it looks like now. Let me do a 360. And I just want to say, I love you guys. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like in a year. It's very, very, very good. So make sure you guys follow exactly what they say. But the hair transplant, 100% excellent. My teeth, excellent. Make sure you come to Turkey, y'all.